last problem here in lesson 12, we're looking at number 3. The price of gold is often reported per ounce. And at the end of 2005, this price was $513. At the end of 2015, it was $1,060. By what percentage did the price per ounce increase? So this is a classic. The number used to be this, now it's this. What was the growth? So I kind of think old back in 2005 versus the newer in 2015. Gold has increased its value by per ounce from here to here. So our job is to find the constant of proportionality and interpret that as a percent growth. So we can just divide the new by the old, and that should tell us the constant. So 1,060 divided by 513. So they essentially multiplied by 2.06 blah 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 blah, so on and so forth. It doesn't say how to round here, so I'm just going to round to the nearest whole percent, but let's write down a majority of this. So we're going to write 2.0662. So we multiply by 2.0662. Now that's a decimal. It's not in percent form. We need to convert it to percent form by moving the decimal to the right twice, or multiplying by 100, and we'll round that to about 207%. So we're going to say about 207%. That was a big growth. It more than doubled, and double the growth would be 200%. So 500 plus 500 would be 1,000. 513 plus 513 would be 1,026. So it more than doubled. So you can see why it's a little bit more than 207, or a little more than 200% growth, because of that increase there. Now, common mistake here is to leave it this way, but we got to remember that our growth is always the percentage that's added to 100. So technically this isn't a 207% growth, all right? So let's talk about that, because if we would do this problem, we would say how much greater than the whole was this? Well, how much greater than 100% is it to get to here? Well, it's actually 107% growth. Okay, 100% growth would be double, so a little bit more than double. So this is actually the answer here, about 107% growth.